I remember in school getting into trouble for something that someone else printed off. We were sent to this like different part of the computer place, so like another part of the, not the actual computer room, but like a different part, because the computer room is like overflowing with people. And when you print from that place, it either got sent to a different printer, or you know, it came up on the screen that it came from a different printer or something like that. Anyway, so I was working on it, and someone else decided to print some crap off, some stupid picture. And when I go to collect my stuff, of course the teacher's waiting there with this crap that one of my idiot friends printed off. I can't remember what it was, but you know, one a-hole. I didn't particularly like teachers that much. Dog bone and upside down beer bottle stand, that's exactly it, Tater. Put your dog bones in here, your dog biscuits in here, look. It's a dog teaching aid. Okay. Sorry, Paul. Jeez. It's not my fault you're sitting there. I'm going to take you guys over here a bit so that I don't have to worry about smacking the mallet into the camera. Oh, we got the shadow on there again. Balls. Hang on. There we go. That's it, Funk. It's a runic alphabet keyboard. Ye olde English keyboard. Let me go back to the other one. Problem here is I'm using my non-dominant hand, so it's a bit more difficult. Probably go this bit for a bit longer. We'll try and switch around just at the end if we can. That'll be better, I think. Hey, Andre Pessoa, thanks for the follow. Circa 1462, yeah. There we go. Now we're getting somewhere. Hey, Jazz Tecker, thanks for the follow. Get all this stuff out of here. I'll just sweep that out. I don't want to splinter my hands up. Goat yourself, Tater. You goat me in my own shed. How dare you, sir? Right, I'm going to carve from this left side a little bit just to stop myself splitting over the edge. Hey Jazz, this is a hang on, let me look and see what I called it because I can't word it very well. A clay sculptor's tool organizer. So a clay sculptor has asked me to make this thing to organize his tools. This is the tray at the front that will hold some tools. These bits here will kind of hold the points of tools as they're supported up higher. Let me give you a quick look at that, just so you understand what I'm talking about. Whoops. Won't be able to attach it because I've got it clamped in, but this bit slots into these two bits. And there's two holes here. There's one there you can see. There's one there you can't see. And they slot into there. And then the tools coming from here go down and rest in these little divots. And then this bit at the front is for, like, you know, little bits of stuff. Or tools that he's using at that time. He wants to have somewhere to put them, like, you know. Balls! Balls to you too, Funk. Balls to you too. Yeah, tool holder. I probably should have just said that. I overcomplicated it. Yeah, it's a tool holder. Correct. I will always get you in your shed. Yeah. That's alright, Jazz. Don't worry about it. Do you like making stuff too? The locals were screaming. What's going on, Funk? More crazy stuff happening around there again. Shut up, Tater.